In this video, we are going to solve some questions based on linear equations. Over here, we need to find the value of x when it is given that lines P and Q are parallel. Now, if lines P and Q are parallel and this line M, it is the transversal, so this angle 3x plus 8x and this angle, they make a pair of vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are equal. So this is also 3x plus 8x. Next, if lines P and Q are parallel and M is the transversal, this angle 3x plus 8x and this angle 5x minus 44, they form a pair of corresponding angles which are again equal. So 5x minus 44 is equal to 3x plus 8x. Now let's transpose 3x on this side. So this will be negative. This is 5x minus 3x equal to 44 when negative 44 when transposed to the other side becomes positive 44. 44 plus 86. 5x minus 3x is 2x and 44 plus 86 is 130. So x is equal to 130 divided by 2, which is 65 degrees. The value of x is 65 degrees. Next, we have this question where it is given that the sum of digits of a two-digit number is 5. If 9 is subtracted from the number, its digits are reversed and we need to find the number. So let us say, since we have a two-digit number whose sum of digits is 5, let the digit at ones place be x. Then the digit at tens place will be 5 minus x, since sum of the digits is 5. Now let us just consider a random two-digit number, for example 72. How can we represent this number considering the place of values of the digits? We can write it as 10 into 7 plus 1 into 2. Now if we reverse the digits, the number becomes 27, and this can be written as 10 into 2 plus 1 into 7. That is what we are going to do over here. The two-digit number can be written as 10 into the tens digit, which is 5 minus x, plus 1 into the ones digit, which is x. 1 into x is x. And if we reverse the digits, then the two-digit number will be 10 into x plus 5 minus x. The two-digit number over here, this becomes 10 into 5 is 50 minus 10x plus x. So this is 50 minus 9x. And if reversed, this number will be 10x plus 5 minus x, that is 9x plus 5. Now, the question says, if 9 is subtracted from the number, so 50 minus 9x minus 9, then the number becomes where the digits are reversed. So this is the number. So this is equal to 9x plus 5. Now let's transpose 5 on the left hand side. 50 minus 9 minus 5 is equal to 9x. When this negative 9x is transposed, it becomes positive 9x plus 9x. This is 36. 50 minus 9 minus 5. 50 minus 14. This is 36 and this is equal to 18x. So x is equal to 36 divided by 18, which is 2. X is the ones digit. So ones digit is 2 and tens digit is 5 minus x. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Therefore, the number becomes 3 to 32. Let us look at one last question. A boat goes downstream from point A to B in 9 hours. It covers the same distance upstream in 10 hours. If the speed of the stream is 1 kilometer per hour, find the speed of the boat in still water and the distance between the boats. Alright, so since we need to find the speed of the boat in still water, let us consider it to be x kilometer per hour. Now, let us try to understand what does upstream and downstream mean. So, if this is a river which is going in this direction as pointed by the arrow, and if the boat is also going in the same direction, it is called downstream. That is when the boat is going along the direction of the water or the stream. Now think about it. If the speed of the boat is x and speed of the water or the stream in the river is 1, then since they are both flowing in the same direction, the speed of the water adds up to the speed of the boat. So the speed while going downstream is x plus 1 kilometer per hour, because the stream also pushes the boat while it is moving forward along the direction of the river. Also, the time taken to go downstream is given, which is 9 hours. Now the distance covered from A to B, distance is speed into time. So that is 9 into x plus 1 kilometers. Now let's consider what is the speed when the boat is going upstream. While going upstream, the boat has to work against the water current. So if the river is flowing in this direction, the boat is flowing in the opposite direction. Over here, if the speed of the boat, which is definitely going to be more than the speed of the water, right? It is x. And the speed of the river as it is given as the speed of the water in the river as it is given as 1 kilometer per hour. So here the speed becomes x minus 1 kilometer per hour. The time taken to go upstream is 10 hours. So distance covered from B to A is 10 into x minus 1. Now whether we go from A to B or B to A, the distance is the same. So 9 into x plus 1 is equal to 10 into x minus 1. This is 9x plus 9, which is equal to 10x minus 10. And negative 10 when transposed becomes positive. This is equal to 10x minus 9x. So x is equal to 19, which is the speed of boat in still water. Now the distance between the ports, which is given by either this equation or this 9 into x plus 1 or 10 into x minus 1. This is, let's consider 9 into x plus 1. So this will be 9 into 19 plus 1. 19 plus 1 is 20. 20 into 9 is 180 kilometers. The distance between the ports is 180 kilometers.